right, so I have a special guest here with me. I've asked her to come in to help me just with ways to show people mobility of the hands. Now, there's kind of some basic things that we know, and I find that kind of just everybody does this, and that's about it. And I'm learning more now. That's not as effective. Those just kind of quick little things that we do throughout the day aren't actually going to help with hand mobility. So we brought Kamali in here today to help show us some different hand mobilities, even from a different culture, which I find to be fascinating. So I think that right now our industries and our lives have all been so consumed with computers and keyboards and our cell phones and kids with video games, things like that. So everybody's using their hands, and then even estheticians now are noticing the way that the hand is starting to morph has become completely different, because they can actually tell the way that we're holding our cell phones, our joints are now becoming a different formation, which is mind-blowing to me.
And kind of scary.
Really scary. So what are some, I don't know, maybe like 3 ideas, something very simple for them, just to show some different hand mobility?
So we're going to start with things basically derived from yoga and Indian classical dance. And one of the first things I want to work on is being able to stretch your wrist and the fingers of your palm. Okay? So put your hands together as if you're doing namaste. You want your line of your arm to be in a straight line, and then just use your fingertips to push. So push each direction like this. In the beginning, you'll be lucky to just get a little tiny movement like this, okay? But use the pressure of your fingertips and push 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you should feel tension through here when you're doing this, and tension through the ends of your fingers. Okay, so that's the first movement. The next movement we're going to do is a simple opening and closing of your fingers. And this is going to build some neuromuscular coordination as well. So put your hands out straight, and you're just going to fold one finger at a time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, make a fist, turn, and then joint by joint release those fingers into a nice arch. So when we have that arch, you're going to have that curve in your arm coming all the way through to your shoulders. Okay? So one more time. So open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn and push out. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn and push out. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn and push out. And really try hard to just bring that one finger at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push. And in the beginning you may find that other fingers just want to come in at the same time, and that's okay. Just keep practicing it, and after a while you'll be able to do that. Okay? And then the third one I'm going to show you is actually something we do a lot in Indian classical dance, and it's combining a number of different what we call mudras, which are different hand positions that you do. So this is called Alapadnam. It's a very basic opening of the flower. Okay, so you can start, just go open, close, open, close, open, close. Okay? So once you're able to do that nice opening and closing, we're going to start adding other mudras. So we're going to start with first finger and thumb connecting, and then flower, 2 fingers connecting, flower, 3 fingers connecting, flower, and then a closed bud. And then once more, open, 1 finger, open, 2 fingers, open, 3 fingers, open, and a closed bud. One more time. Alapadnam, 1 finger, 2 fingers, 3 fingers, and a closed bud. Practice that, and you'll find that your fingers become more agile over time, and you're able to build a lot more flexibility and grace into your movements.